Hello everyone. I told you in the other video, when you are in any kind of problem, it's not good for you to hide. I will tell you something. Sometime when you are in problem, you meet your enemy. It's not good for you to tell your enemy your next plan. It's not good. Don't tell your enemy your next plan. Sometimes it's not even your enemy, it's your friend. Don't tell your friends your next plan. When you tell your friends their next plan, they start planning their own on your own. Example, when you tell your enemies that by this next year now, the kind of business I want to do, I want to change my business to this kind of business. You will see that this person is your friend and you are telling your friend. The friend will start telling you that business, he wants to join you and help you in the business. They gather together. That's why you don't need to say everything you want to do tomorrow, today. The reason is because you don't want someone to bother you. I don't know about you, but I'm telling you about myself. Things I've learned for myself. It's not good for you to say everything. Don't disclose your secrets to people. Once you tell them, this is what you don't want to tell anybody, that this is how it is, this is how it is. You will see the people begin to tell, they will spread it everywhere. Keep it. Wait until this thing comes to pass. Let them see it. Some will come and accuse you. Why didn't you tell us? Why didn't you tell us? Let me tell you, you that you accuse people, your friends, you go around your friends' houses, asking them why they did not tell you their next plan. Why didn't they tell you they are traveling? Ebo amonsu. If they tell you, what do you want to do? Do you want to pay their flight tickets? A lot of people will continue, you see them prognosing in your affairs. You don't even want them to know about it. They will be the one prognosing inside it. My dear, when you see people like this, stay away from them. People that want to know everything about you. If you have a friend, you want to know you and your friend. If you want to have a sister, you want to know you and your sister. You want to know everything about you. If you want to have your mother, you want to know everything about you and your mother. Jidi Anwayo, take am easy. Don't rush that friend. Wait. Don't rush the friend because you don't know. Saida Baj was talking this morning. She said a lot of things on her comment section. She said, when you see a friend, don't tell your friend all your secrets. Remain some things that you purposely didn't want to tell the friend. I believe this girl have learned something. He went to Blessing CEO. He went to the Blessing CEO and took Blessing CEO as our own mom, lovely someone. And maybe the lady, this Blessing CEO betrayed